everyone, I'm Motohiko Kato, Director of the Center for Diagnostic and Therapeutic Endoscopy in Keio University, Tokyo, Japan. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to be interviewed. Today, we'd like to introduce our accepted article entitled Feasibility of Modified Double-Layer Suturing for a Large Mucosal Defect After Duodenal Endoscopic Submucosal Dissection. This method shows the feasibility of new closure method after duodenal ESD. Its nickname is origami method. The concept of the origami method is to fold the muscle layer directly like folding origami, a Japanese traditional craft paper. This method can accomplish reliable all layers closure like surgical suturing. On behalf of the authors, Dr. Masunaga is going to explain the overview of this article.
Hi, I'm Teppei Masunaga. I would like to explain our article about the modified double-layer suturing after duodenal ISD. Originally, double-layer suturing is a method closing not only the mucosal layer but also the submucosal layer. In modified double-layer suturing, origami method, folding the muscle layer directly using only the through-the-scope clips can achieve all-layer closure, like surgical suturing. I'm showing what is happening when folding the muscle layer in origami method. This is a gastric mucosal defect in the pig. Folding the muscle layer can close even the cellosa of the stomach. It looks like surgical suturing. So we hypothesize that the origami method can achieve reliable closure even for the large defect after duodenal ESD. This retrospective observational study was conducted at the Tertiary Care Hospital. We reviewed the cases of origami method attempted after duodenal ESD between June 2022 and April 2023. In study period, the origami method was attempted in 28 cases after duodenal ESD. The median causal defect size was 38 mm, and complete closure was achieved in 27 cases. It is 96%. The median closure time was just 60 minutes. There were no perforation caused by creeps, and delayed perforation and bleeding were not observed. These good results could suggest the origami method after duodenal ESD was feasible. This is a representative case. The origami method can close the defect completely like this. It is very simple and easy method. I'd really like you to read this article and please try this good procedure. Thank you.